So you want to make $1,000 per day online in affiliate marketing or just on an online business. I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to make that sort of money online in this video, and I'll be showing you affiliate programs that you can do this with on my computer and how to sign up for them and how to promote them. It's going to be fun. Let's make some money. Woo! So the 2 ways to make $1,000 per day online is very simple. One is you can sell a product where you make a $1 commission on. So you can sell a lot of a small thing, or you can sell one of a product that will make you $1,000 commission for one sale. So I'm going to be going over both of these methods on my computer real quick. Let's check it out. So the first thing is you can promote little products that'll pay you $1. Now, a good example of this is actually getting people to simply install apps on their phone. You can get paid $1 every time you get somebody to install an app on their phone. And one place that you can go to find out you can join an affiliate program to sell these things is Above All Offers. So Above All Offers is an affiliate network, and you can sign up right here just by clicking this button, Affiliates, and you can go in their program, you sign up, and you can sell products, get people to install apps on their phone. Now, an example of one of these apps you can get people to install is Roblox. Roblox is a kind of a competitor to Minecraft, and as you see here, they just enter in an account on their phone. This would show up, you know, I'm on a computer, it would show up differently on a phone, but Roblox is just a little game that people install. And, you know, Roblox, however, they make money, but, you know, I think they have like virtual goods you can buy inside the game and whatnot, but you get people to install this app and you will get $1 every time somebody installs this game on their mobile device. Very easy. You can do advertising a lot of different ways to get people to do that. Now, the next way to make $1,000 a day online is actually my favorite. This is how I got started in affiliate marketing. I believe this is a lot easier than getting people to install 1,000 apps. And that is getting $1,000 commission per day. Now, the affiliate program that I used to get $1,000 commissions from is called Regal Assets, and it's in the investment niche. Now, what's great about the investment niche is there's trillions of dollars every year. Literally, I cannot physically show you what trillions of dollars looks like, but I can show you what $1,000 looks like, and the investment niche is just where it's at, in my opinion. Now, Regal Assets, also known as Regal Assets Wealth Partners, is a great way to get high referral commissions. And this program has paid out over, there should be a link below this video. And guys, if you are getting value from this, slam that subscribe button, because I'm showing you money right here. And make sure to put a like in. And at the end of this video, feel free to write down any comments you want, but make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell to get more videos from me if you're getting value already and learning about how to make money online, right? So Regal Assets has paid out. Let's look at this. There are lots of affiliates earning $100,000 in a single month, $50,000 in a single month, $47,000 in a single month. I worked with this program since 2012. And this is what allowed me to quit my job. I was working at a marketing agency and I moved on to being an affiliate marketer, and I was making $25,000 to $50,000 per month with this affiliate program. So that $1,000 a day number is very easy to hit with this. Now, I didn't have any mentorship in this. You know, a lot of it I had to figure out myself, but the average sale is $65,000 right here. The way their program works is you get 3% of any invested amount. The average amount of people that people invest is $65,000, and you earn on average $2,000 every time somebody makes an investment. Now, as you see, over $305 million worth of business has been referred by other affiliate marketers like me and like you can, and over $10 million in commissions has been paid out. That's some serious money. Here's an example of a sale that got an affiliate a $90,000 commission check. $90,000 from one click, one lead, one sale, huge commissions. Okay, so you can sign up below and sign up as an affiliate, somewhere around here, join as an affiliate. This is where you would click to join as an affiliate. The type of page that you would be promoting is this page right here. If you can see this, Regal Assets specializes in alternative investments, and they help people move their money from their retirement portfolio or from their investment accounts into alternative assets such as metals, gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and cryptocurrencies. There's a whole suite of cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrencies, I won't go on about that. Some people say it's the future. I believe it's the future of the monetary system. The government doesn't necessarily like it, but it is the future. And you would promote this page, and all you would be responsible for as an affiliate is to have somebody request a free crypto and metals kit about investing, and to enter in their name, email, and phone number. And that's all you have to do as an affiliate. You don't even have to actually make a sale. Now, their salespeople, the salespeople over at Regal Assets, do all the selling for you. Okay? After the people enter in their information, explain the process of investing and of why alternative assets are a good place to invest. There's many ways to get traffic, but this is not about traffic. You can get traffic on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, and target specific keywords such as gold investment or crypto investment, investing in crypto. You can put up blog posts. You can put up an Instagram account focused on investment and investing strategies. You could create a Facebook group about alternative investing strategies. There's 1,000,001 ways that you can get traffic to people interested in investment. But the most important thing is that you just get started. Again, the most important thing is that while I love having you watch me, is that you just get started. You put up that Instagram account, you put up that Facebook group, you put up that Facebook page, you put up those blog posts, you put up those YouTube videos explaining to people how they can invest or how they can, fun games they can install on their mobile device. The point is you just get started. The money is out there. These are two beautiful ways of making money from affiliate marketing without having people to buy anything. Once again, the beauty of the two affiliate programs that I just showed you is that when you get somebody to install a mobile app, they don't have to buy anything for you to earn a commission. The beauty of it is, to get that sale, you don't actually have to get people to buy anything. You're just getting their name, phone number, and email address, and the sales team does all the work for you. Affiliate marketing has never been easier, and I hope you guys enjoy this video of these two methods to make money, to make $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing. Now again, if you want to get started with either of these programs, I recommend you either sign up for RA Wealth Partners, which there should be a link in the description, or you sign up with Above All Offers, which is an affiliate network which has plenty of mobile app install offers on them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe that button, hit the notification bell to be informed about live streams that I'll be putting on sometime in the future. Also, make sure you like this video and you comment below and let me know if this was helpful, what you found the most interesting. I'd really like to know, do you find doing app installs is the more interesting, doing lots of little app installs, or doing really big high ticket commissions, $1,000 sales? What do you find most interesting? Lots of small time commissions or a small amount of big time commissions? Let me know in the comments below. Talk to you soon. Let's have fun. Let's make some money online and let's learn marketing. Woo! You rock.